Hello everyone. We're in the caravan. It's due its second annual service. It's roasting hot, and we've chosen this weekend among all of us to actually unload everything from it, so it's nice and clear, so they can do the checking of the damp things and do all the things they do in the service. So we'll show you, not us. We'll show you us getting it ready, and we'll also give you some updates on what we've been up to and the channel and stuff like that. So stick with us.
Take care.
So we're in the caravan, and one thing we put in, if you watch one of our previous videos, was this orange thing, the new orange seat covers. Now, we're still in two minds. We got a mixed response on the video, didn't we, in the comments?
Yeah.
Some people said they liked them, some people weren't that struck on them. We did like the way it's like made out of a sort of a
PVC sort of a material.
Yeah, you got the nails in again. And so it's easy to wipe clear, and if you've got any splatters from the oven which is next to it. But it's just, I don't know, it just looks a bit, it's been on for a couple of weeks. And it hasn't quite pulled tight. I don't think we've got it on quite tight.
We haven't pulled it tight. I think it's just not big enough. I think if it was bigger, we would be able to get that further around the corner and then maybe just tighten it all underneath. But so I think we probably could use with that one on the back.
Yeah. It
might just be a matter of just jumping the gun and just buying another one of these and see if we can pull it tighter.
Yeah. I'm still not 100%, so I think it could be done with a bit brighter orange as well. It looks across.
But
to
actually,
me,
sat on it on a really hot day, it doesn't stick at all. It's cool. It's not hot at all. So it's like it does.
It does what it needs to do. But it just looks a bit peachy on it. Orange.
It does look a bit peachy orange.
I want it more orangey orange. But anyway, yes, that's that.
It's not often you get to see our neighbours, is it?
Yeah. We've been parked next to this caravan for the last 3 or 4 years, and we've actually bumped into our neighbours from both sides are here today doing things for the caravans.
How amazing.
Hello, anyway.
And this is Joan.
And there's partner there.
Hi
there.
Yeah.
You're on the internet now.
I need to look, see if I like it. I've done my own.
You look great.
It's a bit dirty at the moment.
Hi there, and this is our neighbours from the other side. I say we've been neighbours on the storage site for years, and it's the first time we bumped into everybody all at once. But nice to meet you.
It's great to meet neighbours.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it? So as you can see, we're trying to sort the caravan out. Our neighbours on that side have appeared, and the neighbours on the other side have appeared. Neighbours in storage. The first time we've seen them ever since we've been here, and we've been chatting to them.
It's just amazing.
Said hello to them all. Bizarre, isn't it?
Do you get to meet up? We were like, we should have gone and got some wine and just sat out. It's been lovely chatting to them.
It's the friendliness of caravanners, and even in the storage yard, get the wine out. So we need to get these things out, get this caravan cleared so we can get everything put away and ready for the service.
Yeah.
And battery's not in either. I'll put that in later. I'm taking the carpets up. I'm not sure if we need to do that, but put them in the car.
Why are you taking everything out?
We take the bedding out. Slowly filling up with stuff. I think we're going to need a bigger car to get all the stuff out of here, because I presume they're going to need underneath the bed to do some damp readings and damp testing. And also I want to work out on this is it called the consumer unit or whatever it's called, the fuse thing, where I can flick, someone's tell me if I flick one of these switches or take one of these fuses out, it stops the battery drain when I leave it on its own. But if you've got any ideas, just been helping the neighbours get their jockeys out at the back of this, so close to the trees and the lots of overgrown stuff, it's hard to get to, so I've helped them get the jockeys up. And the amount of grass and nettles and weed around ours, next time we remove it, it's probably going to be, when it goes into service, ask them to cut all this back. It's getting really overgrown. It's crazy. We've moving the microwave out, so they've got space to do the damp readings and check everything. I don't have to move all this stuff out. Bless you.
Through this door, wasn't you?
It's a lot more empty now there. I think that's good enough for them to do the damp test in the bottom and inspect all, get to all the bits they need to get to. Look at me. I look like a tomato. It's so hot. I think it's one of the hottest days of the year. It's about 29-30 degrees at the moment, and there's a thunderstorm on the way, so it's getting muggy. Do you ever use that in the rest of the country? But it's getting there. And I've just shifted a lot of stuff while you were chatting nicely to the neighbours.
I was being friendly.
Being friendly. So yeah, I think we've got as much out as we need to. I mean, I don't think you've got to empty the whole caravan out. We've got access to everything. Caravan that way is just about to go away to Scotland.
Hitch up and tow.
Hitch up and tow to Scotland.
And we've got some really good details from Joan, our caravan to this side, who said about some really good local sites.
Yeah,
so we're going to check those out.
Check those out.
Pays to be friendly.
It does, doesn't it? It's nice to chat. As far as the caravan channel goes and stuff, we still are going away in caravan and stuff. I hope you enjoyed some of our asides. We went to Thorpe Park recently. We didn't go in the caravan, though we stopped in one of the shark cabins, which is a bit like staying in the caravan, wasn't it?
It was, because it was so compact. It did feel like you were actually in a caravan.
But yeah, we like to do our roller coaster and theme park stuff. So if you're watching our channel, you might see a few videos as well. I think we're planning to go to a local theme park near us, go take the caravan up there.
Flamingo Land. And if you do know of a really good site that's quite close to that, just pop the details down.
And then we'll get it booked, and then we can go in the caravan and do it. And then we're going to try and get around some of the other places as well as the usual sort of camping places. But as I said, the caravan's going in for its service next week anyway. And then after it's been in for its service, then we're going to go away and then try and get to Flamingo Land and then go in the summer holiday. So we'll just see how it goes.
We haven't even booked that yet, so I know we've left it quite late and there's probably lots already booked up.
I'm sure it'll be fine.
But we're going to then...
And we're hoping that one day as well to get travel across into Germany or Europe and do some of the theme parks there. Europa Park and Phantasialand. So I don't know if we take the caravan across or we stop in one of the lovely themed hotels there. We'll see. But
yes,
keep an eye on the channel.
And if you do know of any good ways to get some of those ferry crossings quite cheap, because we have looked, haven't we?
It gets very expensive.
And it just seems really expensive, like over £1,000 just to take the caravan over.
I mean, we are right near Hull. Well, not right near it, but it's not far away from us. Is the Hull, Zeebrugge and all that sort of stuff. But it's just so expensive to take a caravan on it. Yeah. You might as well get a flight. You can get a flight cheaper and a hotel cheaper. But we shall see. But stay with the channel. We've got lots more good stuff coming soon, and hopefully it'll get through its service without any damp or issues or anything.
Fingers crossed.
All I'll need to do now is put the battery back and make sure the fridge door's closed, and then we'll be taking it away. So thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Do all the good stuff, and if you can do that, we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.